दादर, अंधेरी, नासिक, औरंगाबाद या कहीं पे भी the urban mobile population. Are you all comfortable with Hindi and English? See, I was a corporate finance person and I spoke only English for 14 years. Last 6 years I got into the vada pav business and my lingo has become 50% Hindi, Marathi and 50% English. English तो मैं भूल रहा हूँ धीरे-धीरे इस वड़ा पाव के चक्कर में, and suddenly I still can't believe I become a Hindi, Marathi, English mixed language because I started dealing with the Furkan pav wala, the Kotimbir wala, the aloo wala, and suddenly my lingo has become Hindi English mix. I hope you are all comfortable with my Hindi English. Why vada pav? एक कोई भी अर्बन मोबाइल पॉपुलेशन एरिया में पीपल डोंट हैव टाइम. व्हाट डू वी से? सबके लिए टाइम है हमारे पास, बट खाने के लिए टाइम नहीं है. एंड वी हैव हार्डली 5 minutes टू ईट फूड. दादर कोई भी ट्रेन रुकती है तो कितने लोग उतरते हैं? कम से कम from the platform 30 to 40,000 people get outside the platform and they don't have time. And in 5 minutes can you dish out 50 masala dosas? Can you? 5 minutes can you serve 50 grilled sandwich customers? 5 minutes can you service 50 pani puri customers? 5 minutes आपने बॉम्बे ने तो पूना में कहीं पे भी देखा होगा, कड़ाई से 50 वड़ा तो निकलता है. वड़ा को निकाल दो, just show it between the pav and give it to the customer. In 5 minutes you can service 50 vada pav customers. That's the definition of a fast food. The first thing, it has to be a fast food. Second, it is a finger food. You don't require plate and spoon. इडली डोसा आ गया तो प्लेट एंड स्पून लग जाता है, isn't it? और प्लेट और स्पून आ गया तो टेबल चेयर आ जाता है. एंड रियल एस्टेट कॉस्ट इन अर्बन मोबाइल एरिया इज वेरी कॉस्टली. टेबल चेयर आ गया तो रियल एस्टेट कॉस्ट गोज अप, एंड इफ द रियल एस्टेट कॉस्ट गोज अप देन द कॉस्ट इज एडेड टू योर vada pav and vada pav becomes very costly and then customers won't come. That's why we said it has to be a finger food. Vada pav doesn't require a table and chair. Very, very important. And the third most important thing, it's a mobile food. Since it's a finger food, it's a mobile food. You can carry a vada pav like this and get into a train like this, isn't it? Mumbai में थाने स्टेशन में या दादर स्टेशन में ट्रेन के बाहर लटकते हैं वड़ा पाव को लेके. Have you all seen this? वड़ा पाव को लेते ही रिक्शा वाला रिक्शा चलाता है. Have you all seen this? वड़ा पाव को खाते खाते you have seen a lot of people in Pune driving their bikes, isn't it? Riding on their bikes. So भाई साहब आधा किलो कांदा दे देना. Is it possible? So when an entrepreneur thinks, he thinks all this in a flash. A lot of people think that businesses are born like that, but at the inception stage, he has to think through the possibility. Why vada pav? Why vada pav? And that's how we zeroed in on vada pav, because it's a fast food, it's a finger food, and it's a mobile food. Also because potato and wheat is a universal appeal. If you go south, you have got puri bhaji, which is but wheat and potato. If you go north, you have got samosa or aloo paratha, which is wheat and potato. And हमारे महाराष्ट्र में wheat और potato और ग्राम का combination क्या है? वड़ा पाव. Potato. How many people, if I ask, आप लोगों को करेला पसंद नहीं बोलने वाले कितने जन हैं यहाँ पे? करेला. चिकन पसंद नहीं, how many people are here? Potato पसंद नहीं है, very few hands will be raised. Yes, we will see 1 or 2 people. Potato has got a universal appeal. And also gram. Potato is also, batata vada is also got gram, besan. हल्दीराम सक्सेस स्टोरी. बेसन को तेल में डुबाया, थोड़ा सा मसाला लगा दिया, 1000 करोड़ का एम्पायर खड़ा हो गया, isn't it? बेसन को तेल में डुबाया, फ्राई कर दिया, थोड़ा सा मसाला और स्पाइसेस लगा दिया, 1000 crore plus empire. That's what the secret of Indian like besan and spices. And that's why we chose vada pav. How many of you know this symbol? The whole world knows this symbol. It's the greatest and the biggest and the most inspirational brand that's come and born on this planet. Yes, we all call it? Yes.